Alright, Mitch here with a quick video working with parcels in ArcPro. So just as an example, picked Hubbard County. So one thing that I've done every year, as many of you are aware, is added attributes to the data that comes straight from the county. And if you open the attribute table, um, I just add them onto the end, so you got to scroll to the right to see these. But all these fields, parcel ID, name, address, acres underscore GIS, those are all the same for all the counties in Area 8. And uh, so that's your basic landowner data. Land value, building value, that's all in there as well. Some of that comes from the local assessor's office. Some of it's already built in from the counties. It just varies. SFIA, as well as acres, the length of the term, year enrolled, and the date. Um, those are all fresh from Department of Revenue. Easement is any type of easement, whether it's RIM, U.S. The Fish and Wildlife Service, DNR Forest for the Future, Forest Legacy. Public type is whether it's state, county, tribal, and then there's a generic, whether it's just public, private, or tribal. I also add watershed data at various scales, minor watershed, HUC 12, HUC 10, um, HUC 8. So to work with this data, really the key thing is to probably recommend using this definition query in properties, and this is where you can for example, pull out the difference between public and private. So to do that, we go to that public type, and is probably includes the values, and then you can just pick the ones you want. There's various different levels. I don't consider school districts as public generally, nor transportation, uh, but it's up to you. Hit apply, hit OK, and then as you can see, the number of parcels really drops down, and then you can do different things with your symbology to symbolize those values. Not the prettiest of colors here, but you get the idea. So that's just one way you can work with the parcel data. You can do the same thing with the SFIA. So you can have a definition query where SFIA is equal to yes, and then I'll probably just do single symbol on that. So you want that to be orange. Okay, again, this is pulling from that same parcel data where your SFIA lands are in orange, public lands, various other colors here. Again, not the most pretty, but you get the idea of kind of how to use the parcel data.